In the heart of Texas' Rio Grande Valley, fear now lives in the shadows. Inside home, behind the closed doors. Immigrants, even those who have lived in the US for decades, are avoiding hospitals, pharmacies, and even food markets. All because they fear of being caught and deported. Jonita, a 41-year-old pre-diabetic mother and a long-time Texas resident, skipped her medications after her husband warned her that federal agents were outside the pharmacy. Her biggest fear? Being detained and leaving behind her 17-year-old daughter who has Down syndrome. And she's not alone. This region, one of the America's poorest and most medically vulnerable, is seeing a steep drop in the clinic visits. Patients are too scared to come forward. Even legal residents like Elvia, who refused medical help because some of her household members were undocumented. The fear is unfounded. Under the Trump's intensified deportation effort, ICE is even assessing Medicaid database to track undocumented immigrants. Hospitals and churches are no longer off the limits. In Texas, ER staff are now required to ask about patients' immigration status, and the consequences? Deadly. A man ignored intense stomach pain for weeks out of fear of being arrested at the hospital. His appendix burst and he barely survived. Holy Family Service Clinic, once a lifeline for unreserved communities, now sits early quiet. The mobile clinics hasn't seen any patients yet since the Trump's return. The birth centers, once a place of safety, now echo with silence. Community members like Maria, a green card holder and mother of 3, stopped selling clothes at the local flea market after the recent immigration raids. Well, she now volunteers as a food bank where fewer families dare to collect the free food. Even her teenage daughter has skipped her mental health checkup, too scared to be seen. This wave of fear is silencing the entire population. Mother, father, children, and once contributed quietly and steadily to the fabric of America. Well, a 15-year-old Chose puts it, "We always pray before we leave." This is not just a story of immigration, but it is a public health crisis born out of a political fear. And as a journalist, it is alarming to witness families, including legal residents, skipping their life-saving medicines and care due to fear of deportation. When ICE raids each hospitals and pharmacies, we stop being a democracy and start resembling a surveillance state, detaining people at the cost of human dignity, health, and family. Unity is not an enforcement, it's cruelty. No parent should have to choose between the insulin to their child's future. The system is broken and the silence is complicated. It demands national outrage. What do you think about this? Make sure to leave your comments down below. And if you like such videos, make sure to subscribe to World On. Thanks for watching.